Today concept is a methods. See, we already know that, right? Every application, every Java application is a collection of classes. Collection of classes. Sir, why classes? Because we are defining objects. Defining objects. We know that every class consists, every program in Java application, everything you must write inside the class only. Inside the class. Okay. Now, every class has name, identity. Suppose account is a class. I'm writing, right? Every instruction, every instruction belongs to class. That is, class has identity. The question is, sir, what is the use of identity? See, what is the purpose of our name? Just for calling or for accessing, anything you can say. Suppose if someone want to call you, the only option is what? They can call with your identity. Nothing but with your name they can call. That is the reason every class has identity. Every class has identity. That is. Now here it is, a class consists two things, variables, first one, second one, methods. We know already. So what is the purpose of variables? To store information. Information is nothing but account number, account holder name, balance in account, mobile number, all these things we can store using variables. What is the concept of methods? That is also we already discussed. To perform data operations. For example, withdraw we are doing. Withdraw. And next deposit. Today discussion is these things only. Withdraw operation, deposit operation, performing all these operations. So what is a method? We are starting from the method. Method is to perform any operation. Is to perform any operation. That is. See here. Now one by one we'll see. One by one. Let me explain. So when you need to practice, I'll tell so that by that time you can practice. I'm opening same online Java compiler. Just in a Google online Java compiler. Again, I'm going with onlinegdb.com. Okay, so here it is. Now, see, the first program is a simple program. As I told, everything belongs to class. They have given the name is one main. See, already they saved with the name is a main.java. Main.java. Okay. Sir, why it is public later? One rule is there. Program execution always starts with the main method. It is fixed method. If you don't write, what will happen? The program will not execute. The program will not execute. Here it is a Java program. Java program execution starts with the main method only. Main method. That is. So when you run the code, this is simple code, you know. It is giving that output is a hello world. Output is hello world simply. That is. It will print this one. It will print this one. And what is the next thing? Not only this. In the last session, I clearly explained We have two types of members, static members and instance members. Clearly, I explained, right? So, static members means static variables are present, static methods are present. In the same way, instance variables are present, instance methods are also present. Both are present, static as well as instance. First, we will discuss static. In static also, first we will discuss methods. How to write methods and all, let me explain. So what is a method? Of course, along with the main method, method is a block of instructions. One point, keep it in your mind, one point. We are discussing methods first. This is the first program. Seems to be hard, don't worry, be patient. Don't judge with just one program. Reason is what? In all these 4 months, in every class, we are working with methods only. Sir, how many times we will write methods means what? Mostly around 1,000 times minimum we will write methods. So it will be very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. So method means what? Is a block of instructions. System.out.println. Any method name we are giving. Method name, suppose clear. Just simply clear. Parenthesis is required. Sir, why parenthesis? I'll explain. I'll tell. You will understand. Today itself you will understand. One point is, if you are executing this, you will get error. You will get error. Invalid method declaration. Return type is required. Return type is required. That return type is at least void you have to write. See, before main also void is there, na? That is. This is minimum. But how to write static methods means, see, this is static keyword. Here it is a static method. Static method, that is. With a static keyword you will write. And here inside we are giving that message. Suppose clear. Any message, clear all, or for example, clear all. Message we are taking. But when you run this program, you will get the output is hello world only. Simply to say, this is main. Suppose main. Output is only main. Output is only main. Other method will not execute. That is also, I'll make it clear, don't worry. We can define methods in application. But remember the point is what? Method will not execute automatically. Automatically will not execute. Program executes only main method. Only main method. That is this one. See, here it is. Yeah. Sorry. Now, here it is. Automatically a method will not execute. Only main method execute automatically. program executes only one main method automatically. That is. So then we must call method explicitly. We must call method explicitly. So what is that? How to call? Very easy. Very easy. How to call? From the main. What is the class name? Main. Dot. What is the method name? Total. We write like this and run. That is clear all. The point is, sir, if I call once again, main dot clear. If I call once again, you can call any number of times. Sir, 3 times I have called. 3 times it will execute. 3 times it will execute. Simple. Okay. This is the simple way of writing. Simple way of writing. Main dot clear. 3 times we call. 3 times it is executed. So how to call static method? We call static method using class name. Using class name we call. That is. Okay. Just try only this program. Later multiple examples we will discuss. Say don't worry, this is the first program. By the end of this program, by the end of this class, everyone will get the methods. So first time, that's why a little bit confusion for you people. Don't worry, you keep on typing, automatically methods will come. Do it. Here, your question is what, sir? I'm calling without class, but it is still working. But it is still working. Why it is working? You are saying static method calling using class name. Reason is what? Why, sir, it is executing means according to Java developers given rule. Java developers given rule is what? You must call static method using class name only. Class name. Normally, if there is one person always communicate with another person. A person never communicate with person their self. Is there any communication of person communication their self? No. Suppose if they communicate, if they talk with ourselves, we can call it as mad people. First point. First, we can call it as mad people. So, in this world, person always communicate with another person. We never communicate with ourselves. We will not talk with ourselves. So the question is, in real-time applications, we never call the same class methods. We never call. Okay. Always we call other class methods only. Suppose this is one person close. Next second person start. Whatever. For example, clear. Class name is clear. Method name is all. Method name is all. That is. Okay. Clear all. Sir, suppose I want to call. If you write all, it will not work out. It will not work out. Suppose if your answer is, sir, I'm talking about the same class. My answer is, if you learn in this way, They have given only one statement, Static means access using class name. It is easy thing to understand. Sir, suppose if it is the same class directly, if it is other class using class name, they never told. They never told. If someone taught you like that, it is completely wrong way. Completely wrong way. Reason is what? The same class communication in this world, in any application, or if you think normally also, is not there. In real time, it won't happen. Even in your real life also, it won't happen. We never talk with ourselves. We never communicate with ourselves in this world. So always we access other class methods only. So class name is clear, method name is all. So clear all. Clear all. Run this. Now you will get the output very clearly. So the programming is very easy. So you people, we can write any number of classes. We can write any number of classes. That is right. We call static methods using class name. So only one word they have given. So please don't make the concept complicate. Whoever asks the question, the same question, if someone asks you, you can answer easily like this. By using the class name, if you call static method, it works anywhere in this world. This is my statement. Suppose, sir, same class directly other class means a lot you have to learn. So we can't deviate the concept. No Java developer told such thing. The faculties only introduced all these unnecessary concepts to make the Java complicated. Java is easy, right? The rules are very, very easy. So we will learn in an easy way. Simple thing. So one point, keep it in mind. Static means access using class name. Finish. That's over concept. Okay. Yeah. Please practice. Type the code. Once you complete, drop the code, please. Now. So any number of classes you can define and any number of times you can call. Suppose here, clear. Anywhere you can write. Sir, suppose if I write in the top, yes. Sir, suppose here I'm writing one more class. Hello. Hello. Oh, right? Here, just a method. Again, static void, everyone. Everyone. System.out.println, right? Hello, everyone. Just a message. Okay. Now, from the main, sir, what I should call first? Your wish. Clear all. I'm calling. Next, sir, this method I want to call. This is belongs to which class? Hello class. So, hello dot everyone. We can call like this. And two important points, everyone, you please understand. Two important points. Okay. Right? What are the points means? It's very simple. The points are called naming rules or called naming conventions. Naming rules or naming conventions. What are the naming rules? If you are writing the class, every word starts with a capital letter. Every word starts with a capital letter. Right? Suppose Here it is. Look at this main. Clear. Hello. Suppose class name is a multiple words. Account holder. A capital, H capital. Suppose file not found exception. File not found exception. Next one is a, if you are writing any method, first word with lowercase, everything. From second word, every word starts with a capital letter. Every word starts with capital letter. Suppose main is a single method like this. Get account number, first word lowercase, account number, A capital, N capital, like this. This is very, very important. Sir, if I'm not writing, what will happen and who will stop me? As a basic learner, like as a kid, every mistake is acceptable. Every mistake is acceptable. Okay. When you are growing in coding, you must follow. Suppose if you don't follow, you have to use library programs where lakhs of classes are there. Lakhs of classes, right? Billions of methods are there. Free methods. When you are using lakhs of classes and billions of methods, if you don't follow these rules, your application will not execute. Everyone should follow the rules. Everyone. Okay. Sir, I will not follow you. See small letter. Reverse I will write A capital letter. Here acceptable. As a basic programmer is acceptable. Run. It will execute. But please don't do that. Please don't do that. Follow the rules. Once we don't follow, after 1 month, the problem will start. Whatever the code you will write, the code will not execute. So please follow the naming rules while writing the classes and methods. That's why see, my every class name starts with a capital letter. And next, whenever I am writing method, everyone E small letter, O capital letter. Better you follow these things. Okay, na? Please do this and write the code quick, everybody. See now, suppose I'm removing all these things. The second type I'm writing. Second type. Sir, what is that? Suppose I'm taking class find. Class name is a find I'm giving. Find. Method name is a sum. Nothing but add. Add. Find the sum. See, normally think if you want to add minimum 2 numbers required. That is input now. Sir, what is the parenthesis, sir? These are like hands to catch something. They will give 2 numbers. You have to catch 10, 20. Sir, suppose 10, 20 if they give. You will store into 2 variables A and B. A and B. Then we add them. C equals to A plus B and print them. Simply sum equals to C. Now the question is, sir, how can we call? Look at this. Static, how to call? Class name. Find dot sum. Find dot sum. The two values 10, 20 I am giving. Suppose 10, 20. Simply the value 10 will go and store into A. 20 will go and store into B. That adding 2 numbers, addition of 2 numbers will store into that C and printing that sum. printing that sum. That's all. Taking the two numbers, multiple examples will write, so you will understand. See, 10, 20, I passed. 10 plus 20, 30 will print. Any two numbers you can pass. Sir, suppose if I am not passing, what will happen? It's very simple. You will get the error message. Simply, you will get error message because it is expecting two numbers. You have to pass. Required two integers, but found no arguments given. No arguments. So any two numbers you can pass. 23, 56. Run the code. Output you will get. Okay. See, please practice this. Let me explain one more example so that you practice by looking to the video also. But please practice. Suppose. Check the person can vote or not. Here it is a class. Person I am taking. Person. Okay. Person can vote. Method is a can vote. See, to check the person can vote or not, age is the input. Age. Now if else block. If age is greater than or equals to 18, this one already we practiced well. Yes, person can vote. Person can vote. Else. Else. Person cannot vote. Person cannot vote. So how you will call? Using that class name. Person dot can vote. Of value, suppose 13 I am passing. Look at this. Age you have to pass. That age what you pass will come and store into this variable. Just run the code. Run the code. Person cannot vote. If you pass suppose 23, now you run the code. Just giving the message is yes, person can vote. Understand the difference between these two. Person can vote, person cannot vote. Easy way. Okay. See, multiple examples we will discuss in the tomorrow class also. But everyone, please practice up to here. I'll share the recording video also. Okay. You can leave for today.